Welcome to another episode of Decor Menu, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations. Making coat racks from reclaimed wood presents a host of advantages and benefits that extend beyond mere functionality. This environmentally conscious practice embodies a commitment to sustainability while allowing for creativity and personal expression in home decor. As society becomes increasingly aware of environmental issues, reclaimed wood emerges as a favored material, offering both aesthetic appeal and a myriad of practical advantages for those seeking to create beautiful and functional spaces. One of the most compelling benefits of using reclaimed wood for coat racks is its eco-friendliness. In a world grappling with deforestation and environmental degradation, choosing reclaimed wood minimizes the demand for new timber, thus preserving precious natural resources. Reclaimed wood is sourced from old buildings, barns, and other structures that have outlived their original purpose. By repurposing this material, woodworkers contribute to reducing waste and promoting sustainability in the craft. This conscious choice resonates with individuals who prioritize environmentally friendly practices in their homes. Hello there again. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of reclaimed wood coat rack ideas you never knew you needed. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The unique character of reclaimed wood adds unparalleled charm to coat racks. Unlike newly manufactured wood, reclaimed wood comes with its own history, imperfections, and rich textures, each telling a story of its past life. The scars, knots, and variations in color provide distinctive visual elements that lend character to the finished product. This uniqueness ensures that each coat rack created is one of a kind, allowing homeowners to showcase their personal style and taste while also holding a piece of history. Such a distinctive aesthetic appeals to those desiring decor that stands out and serves as a conversation starter. Creating a coat rack from reclaimed wood also enables individuals to engage in a rewarding hands-on project. The process of crafting not only fosters a sense of accomplishment, but also allows for creative expression. Woodworking is an art form that invites individuals to make design choices, from selecting the wood to deciding on the finish. This creative journey enhances personal connection to the finished product, making it not just a functional item, but a work of art that reflects the maker's vision and personality. Moreover, reclaimed wood often boasts superior durability and strength due to its age. Many older wood types were sourced from slow-growing trees, resulting in denser and more resilient materials. As a coat rack is subject to daily use, utilizing weathered and seasoned wood can ensure longevity, providing reliable support for garments and accessories over time. The stability and robustness of reclaimed wood mean that homeowners can enjoy their coat racks without the worry of wear and tear, making them a worthy investment. In addition to strength and durability, reclaimed wood reacts well to various finishing techniques. It readily accepts stains, paints, and sealants, enabling makers to customize the appearance of their coat racks. Whether looking for a rustic, weathered look or a sleek, modern finish, the versatility of reclaimed wood allows for a wide range of design possibilities. This adaptability ensures that the coat rack can harmonize with different interior styles, from contemporary to farmhouse chic, enhancing the overall aesthetics of the space. Another significant advantage of making coat racks from reclaimed wood is the opportunity for storytelling within the home. Each coat rack often carries anecdotes from its source. Perhaps it once adorned an old railroad station or served as part of a historic barn. This connection to the past can bring depth to a home's decor, creating an emotional resonance that mass-produced items lack. When friends and family admire the coat rack, They may be drawn into discussions about its history, enriching the home atmosphere with shared stories and memories. Moreover, crafting coat racks from reclaimed wood aligns with the growing trend of DIY culture. Many individuals find satisfaction in creating pieces for their homes, and woodworking serves as an excellent outlet for this creativity. The DIY process allows for personalization, enabling each coat rack to reflect individual preferences, from size and shape to how hardware is incorporated. This hands-on approach not only fosters creativity, but also provides a sense of ownership over the home environment, empowering individuals to curate their spaces. The economic benefits of making coat racks from reclaimed wood should also be considered. Sourcing reclaimed wood is often more cost-effective than purchasing brand-new timber, particularly when factoring in labor costs associated with readying wood for use. Many reclaimed wood suppliers offer remnants or offcuts that are perfect for small projects, allowing budget-conscious individuals to create beautiful decor without breaking the bank. In a time when financial considerations are paramount for many homeowners, utilizing reclaimed wood can provide both aesthetic and economic value. Furthermore, making coat racks from reclaimed wood provides opportunities for skill development. Beginners can learn essential woodworking techniques, from basic construction methods to finishing, as they embark on their projects. This hands-on education fosters a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship and understanding of woodworking principles. As skills improve, individuals may find themselves empowered to undertake more complex projects, leading to further growth in their woodworking journey. Creating coat racks from reclaimed wood also champions an aesthetic that emphasizes authenticity and individuality. In an age of mass production, many consumers desire to cultivate homes that reflect their unique tastes rather than conforming to generic styles. Reclaimed wood embodies this authenticity, offering a canvas for craftsmanship that celebrates uniqueness and personality. The ability to personalize designs and incorporate meaningful elements ensures that these coat racks become significant additions to the home's narrative. Additionally, the craftsmanship involved in making coat racks from reclaimed wood fosters a sense of pride. Completing a project with one's own hands provides a powerful sense of achievement that can contribute positively to mental well-being. This creative outlet allows individuals to detach from the daily grind, focusing on the tactile experience of working with wood. The repetitive motions involved in woodworking can be therapeutic, offering moments of mindfulness and reflection that contribute to overall mental health. Reclaimed wood coat racks also align with an eco-conscious lifestyle, appealing to those who value sustainability. As environmental issues become increasingly pressing, individuals are clothing themselves in ethical consumption. By choosing reclaimed wood, they send a message that prioritizes sustainability and conscious living. This alignment with personal and global values cultivates pride in the home's decor, making each piece a statement of intention. Another vital aspect of utilizing reclaimed wood in coat racks is the minimal environmental impact associated with its production. The process of reclaiming wood typically involves less energy and fewer resources than the harvesting and processing of new timber. This reduction in ecological footprint resonates with environmentally conscious individuals who seek to make responsible choices in sourcing materials for their homes. Supporting sustainable practices through reclaimed wood promotes a larger movement towards environmental stewardship in craftsmanship. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked reclaimed wood coat rack ideas you never knew you needed. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.